Hi, this is Rachel Briscoe. I'm a geometry teacher at Memorial High School, and I'm going to show you how to build a playlist in Formative and all the different things that you can include. So when you log into Formative, this is your teacher homepage. To start a new Formative, click this blue button, title it whatever you would like, and then to add different elements, you're going to press this plus sign. So you can add audio, you can embed a video or a GIF, you can upload an image, a text block, you can embed a question. So there's a variety of different question types. And one of our favorite features is adding questions to a PDF document. So first I'm going to show you how to embed a video. So I'm going to click embed, and I'm going to pull up the YouTube video I want to embed. I'll click share, embed, copy all of this in between those brackets, paste it, and now my YouTube video is embedded into my Formative. The next thing I want to embed is an image. So unfortunately with Formative, you can't just copy and paste an image into your Formative. You have to save the image either to your computer, desktop, Sweden, somewhere on your computer, or to your Google Drive. So you can't just copy and paste. So I have an image that I want to use saved on my computer. So I'll click that. And so now this cute little 45, 45, 90 triangle image is in the Formative. The reason you might upload an image like this is for quick reference, or to kind of summarize something that you covered in a video, or you could use an image to build a question. So I'm going to press the plus sign, choose the type of question I want to add. I'll do numeric. And then not only am I just going to type the question, but I can include a corresponding picture, and it's all contained within this one question, so students aren't confused as to which image goes with which question. So I'm going to press this plus sign within the question. I can give audio directions or some sort of audio component. I could embed a video specific to this question, or anything that can be embedded, an emoji, an image, math type, or a video. So I'm going to click image, my computer. I'm going to add the image. So I want my students for number 1 to find X in this specific 45, 45, 90 triangle. I'm going to type in the correct answer, which is 4√2. And a pro tip is students might also answer this question an alternate way by including X. X equals 4√2. So Formative can be pretty persnickety about the way that it counts right and wrong answers. So try and think through the different ways that your students might input their answer and add as many as you can think of. The great thing about adding your image directly into the question is that if I wanted to rearrange the order of my elements within my Formative playlist, now I don't have to move the question and the image separately. I can move them as one unit. So if I wanted to move this, maybe for some reason I wanted to put it before this image, I'm just going to hover over these dots next to the blue number. This cursor should show up, and now I can slide it and move it wherever I want, up or down my screen. Next, I'm going to upload an entire PDF. So I'll click the plus sign, this yellow Enhance a PDF doc, Google Doc. You can choose any document from your computer or Google Drive. I'm going to choose the document. It'll upload. So this is just a worksheet we pulled off of CUDA. So we can just upload it straight into Formative, and then like it says, click on the image to add a question. So I want this image to have questions in it. So it says find the missing side links. So actually, what's great about this is if I want students to find multiple things, I can click multiple questions into one image. So maybe I wanted them to find X and this missing side and this missing side. I could click 3 different times. So if I want them to find X, short answer, question, find X, or you could do numeric. I could have them find this side. And I could also have them find the third side. And then I can go click another one over here. And let's say I placed it incorrectly. I actually want them to find X. I can go move the question to be right by X, where I want them to find. I can click another one. So now I'm looking for this X. So basically, the questions and the place for the students to type their answer in will be on the right, but the number of the question will correspond with the image that the question number is adjacent to. So you can essentially take a PDF and click questions into it. If you're on top of it, you can actually number your document using the same numbers that will appear on Formative. Here, obviously, we just numbered it 1 through 8, but we started with number 2. So you can be strategic about how you number your assignments, but you could also just cover up the numbers. So maybe I make this one number 1, this one number 2, this one number 3, this question's number 4, this question's number 5, this question's number 6. So then you would just adjust your question to where you moved the blue circle to. And you can add any type of question type into a PDF.